Hi, and welcome to Window Cleaning Dude. In today's episode, we're going to talk about hand clippers. So, as a window cleaner, you might be thinking, hand clippers? What in the world do I need hand clippers for? That's not going to help me wash windows. Well, actually they are. So, here's a pair of hand clippers that I'm talking about here. They're hand clippers or hand pruners, whatever you want to call them. This is a very useful tool if you're doing any kind of window cleaning besides storefront. If you're doing commercial or residential, you're gonna totally come across windows that have bushes in the way, and trust me, you're gonna want to prune those back. Now, you want to be careful on how much pruning you're doing. I'm sure if you know, I don't usually talk to my customers in advance and say, hey, I'm gonna prune your bushes, and that's because I'm only pruning a few inches away from the window if it's hitting up against the window. So I don't ask permission for that typically. You can if you feel the need, but I never have. I've been window cleaning for over 10 years and I've never done it. I've never had it been an issue. But you do want the hand pruners because, like I said, when you're cleaning the windows, if there is any kind of bushes or anything hitting up against the glass, you go to wash the window with your washing wand. You're trying to hold back the bushes. You know, I've done it where I'm like holding it back with my back and I'm trying to get in there and clean the window because it's just the vegetation is so overgrown. The landscaping's overgrown, the bushes are overgrown, and so it's much more easier to just go ahead and do a quick prune back of the things that are hitting up against the glass, because when the leaves and the branches get wet, then you clean the window and then you get out of the way and then it slaps against the window. Even if you're being gentle and slowly let it touch the glass, it's just gonna leave dirt and water on the glass, and then it's gonna look like you didn't clean the window, and you don't want your homeowner or your business owner, whoever, feeling like you did a crappy job simply when all you had to do was just, you know, prune back the bushes and then clean the window that way. So, highly recommend these. Usually I will keep these in my pouch on my utility belt, in my pouch on the side here, so that I already have it with me. I don't have to run back and forth to the car, or if I'm lugging my, or I'll put it in my bucket. That's what I'm trying to say. I'll put it in here. I mean, it is extra weight, so you know, it's up to you where you want to carry it. Obviously, the least amount of weight that you can carry on your utility belt, the better. They do weigh, you know, a little bit here, and so every little bit of weight does add up. So I guess if you are going to put this in your utility belt, I would say, you know, when you've gone around the house and you've collected the screens and you've kind of identified, okay, there's a lot of bushes here, then you might go ahead and just put this in your utility belt, knowing that you're just going to be accessing this a lot. Otherwise, do have it in your bucket at least, so that you don't have to go back to your vehicle and grab this tool. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description where you can find one of these online to buy. Also, you can find it on my website. I'll have a link there on my website as well. And you can learn more about this there if you want at windowcleaningdude.com. Also on windowcleaningdude.com, I'll have a link to all the other tools that I recommend that you have as a window cleaner. Just starting out, everything you're going to need. I'll have a link to all those things where you can find those online. If you've enjoyed this video and found this little tip useful, please give me the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my window cleaning channel here on YouTube and be a part of the community, and to also show YouTube that you do appreciate the content that I'm bringing you. Hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and don't forget to comment down below for anything else that you want to know about window cleaning related or about hand clippers. And I will see you in the next episode.